What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the health detection device in Crimson Desert. If you're the type of gamer who finds it convenient to see the health bar of your enemies, then this helmet will come in handy. The health detection device offers 3 defense and daze immunity, along with its main feature, which is the Detect Life. That shows health bars above your targeted opponent. To use this, simply equip the helmet and press P until you see the visor get pulled down. This piece of tech can be found in the far east side of Delicia, inside a place called Marnie's Laboratorium. It's this one where my waypoint's placed, on an island east of the continent. When you get there, wear your Vision for safety purposes. Start from the main gate and follow the path from it towards this archway over here. When you reach the courtyard, turn right and climb another set of stairs, until you see a big doorway to your left. Get inside that building and stop when you see 2 giant boilers or mechanisms to the left. Between them is another doorway leading to a different area. Get inside and travel along that corridor until you reach the next room. On the other side of this room is the helmet placed on top of a table. Just take it and nobody will mind if you keep it. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.